Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You have a data frame ready. Start by inspecting it. Use names DF and SDR, DF to spot columns to remove because understanding types prevents accidental loss. Once identified, choose your method, by exact name when clear, by numeric index for position, or by pattern matching with grep for groups. Make sure to keep a copy, DF original DF, so you can revert. This early caution saves time and avoids reloading large files later. Now perform the removal. If you remove by name, use names DF with % inside negation to keep others. This is explicit and safe. For positional removal, negative indices drop columns by number. Use cautiously when structure might change. For many columns sharing a pattern, grepl or grep returns matches, you can negate to drop a set efficiently. Once done, run names DF and head DF to confirm the right columns are gone and types remain consistent. Finish by validating the result. Check names DF, encall DF, and SDR DF to ensure nothing else changed. If you made a mistake, immediately restore from your saved copy with DF original. That quick rollback avoids cascading errors. For pipelines, prefer Deepler. Select with negative helpers, which reads clearly and chains well. If you still see unexpected columns, inspect for hidden characters or whitespace in names, and trim them with trimwas before retrying.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.